Let's hang a right here on the street.
Oh, this place is open. Oh, it's just boarded up for the being broken into. Always crowded.
Yeah. Yeah, even sitting down, chilling a laptop, they can't wear a mask. That's the weirdest thing. Of course, the guy at the NPR shirt throws his mask on when he sees us. Cross over here. Thanks. Cool. That was a cool bike. Set a bunch of munchkins in the back in a row. And a padded thing, see that? You got like 3 munchkins there holding on. That'd be hilarious. And no mask. Sidewalk and no mask. Brilliant. Walking, yay. I don't know.
Over the bridge and then kind of like go down.
All kinds of ways, I guess. I don't know. I don't even know. I think you're right. Yeah, I think it was that way because then it stops being all go through-y over here. Whoa, this is where, oh yeah. Well, either way. And then we could just cut over here to keep some social D. I saw these little tubes. They just look like they were individual cigar wrappers. For a second, they looked like they were glass. It reminded me of all the meth pipes interspersed. This is really interesting. So, well, not really, but I just found it kind of funny. So if you go to, you could be on a certain store site or whatever, and maybe you'll see. It's not the weirdest thing to see grinders, herb grinders, for pot, obviously. And it's just basically everywhere now, like anywhere you go and order online somewhere that has a bunch of stuff. Yeah, especially a wholesaler, this or that. But it was interesting. There's a wholesaler I was looking at, made an account and all that, so I could see what they have at wholesale, yada, yada, yada. And I'm not sure. There must have been some weed related stuff. But out of all the America stuff and everything else and biker stuff and that kind of thing, there were just almost every page there were meth pipes. There were the glass, they call them. I guess they gave the name where I'm like, oh, that's what they're called. It's just like a glass with a ball at the end. For like, I'm not sure crack, but I would imagine meth since it's all the bikers and all that kind of stuff. It's one of those. And I was just like, wow, that is just scummy. You know, it's just like, that is so scummy. You know, it's just like, ugh, why would you even? Like, who cares if your clientele tends to buy those pipes? Just leave the meth pipes out of your inventory, you know? God. Like, how many meth heads do you have? That's part of the wholesale thing. Multiple listings. Huh? I didn't know we were like committed to a certain way. Sorry, babe. I mean, we could come across the thing whenever we come across it, right? Because it's just going to be stressful otherwise to try to find the exact way. It's I think we went that way, and then I remember we were looking here, right, and we were looking across at the ducks. But then I don't know. Then we went back that way. I don't know. Strange little court area. It's kind of murdery. Big old softball mountain, whatever. Playground crows, so everyone outside could be more smushed together, have less places to stand outside. Huh? Playground is closed, that way people that are outside could have less places to congregate and be more smushed together. So I'm guessing we'd want to kind of somewhat be along the river. You want to do that? Just even if it's, you know, we haven't gone there. It's a road we haven't traveled. Hopefully don't get unsubbed. I don't think we walked here before. Interesting little bench right there. I like this block. Very different. Not a bad block for a bat cave. How's it going? All right, how you doing? Oh, good kitty. Look at that. Be comfy, comfy, comfy. Oh, what a cute.